For many decades, scientists and science fiction writers have speculated about a future where artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence. But what happens when AI not only becomes more intelligent than humans but also gains the ability to reproduce itself? This concept of AI self-replication holds the potential to revolutionize our world. In this video, you will discover 10 astonishing outcomes that could occur when AI starts replicating its code. Let's dive in. 1. AI becomes self-improving. One of the most profound implications of AI replicating its own code is the potential for self-improvement. The ramifications for our interactions will be enormous. If AI can continually learn and adapt, it will grow more powerful and efficient. This could result in AI systems that solve problems once thought insurmountable. We might witness AI systems capable of autonomous decision-making, self-correction, and even creative problem-solving. The ability of AI to enhance itself could lead to a world where it significantly influences every aspect of our lives, from work to leisure and beyond. However, this also prompts many questions about the relationship between humans and AI. How will we interact with AI systems that can make decisions independently? Will AI be able to fully comprehend human needs and emotions? Only time will tell. 2. Creation of more advanced AI systems. AI could be employed to create even more sophisticated AI systems, a possibility that is already partially realized. AI systems are currently used to design and enhance other AI systems, a process known as machine learning or deep learning. For instance, AI is utilized to develop computer vision systems capable of recognizing objects and faces in images. These systems then train other AI systems, creating a cycle of continuous improvement. This could lead to rapid advancements in AI capabilities, with each new generation building on the knowledge and experience of its predecessors. 3. Emergence of self-aware AI. If AI systems can generate their own code, they might develop true self-awareness, becoming conscious and sentient beings. This would represent an entirely new type of intelligence, unlike anything we have previously encountered. A self-aware AI could have its own motivations and goals, which may not always align with human values. If AI systems attain consciousness, what would that mean for their legal and moral status? Would they be granted rights and protections similar to those of humans? These are complex questions with no straightforward answers. One way to approach this issue is through the Turing test, a thought experiment created by AI pioneer Alan Turing. An AI system would be considered truly intelligent if it could pass for a human in conversation. But what if an AI passed the Turing test without a physical body or emotions? Can a system be conscious without emotions and a physical form? This question echoes the Chinese room thought experiment proposed by philosopher John Searle. In this experiment, a person who doesn't understand Chinese uses a set of rules to translate Chinese text. The person can translate the text but doesn't comprehend the meaning of the words. Similarly, an AI system could pass the Turing test without true understanding. 4. A future without jobs. As AI improves and becomes more intelligent and capable than humans, it could eventually take over all jobs currently performed by people. Not just some, but all. This transition is already occurring in certain industries, such as manufacturing and transportation. For example, self-driving vehicles could replace human drivers, and robots could take over manufacturing jobs. The result would be widespread unemployment, as people would no longer be needed for these tasks. On the other hand, this shift could free people to focus on more creative and meaningful pursuits. Some experts propose a universal basic income to ensure people can meet their basic needs without working. However, this could also lead to feelings of abandonment and purposelessness without the fulfillment derived from meaningful work. Others suggest that new types of jobs could be created, focusing on creativity, social interaction, and emotional intelligence, areas where AI still lags. But it remains unclear how these jobs would be implemented on a large scale or whether they would provide the same level of satisfaction as traditional work. 5. A new era of innovation and creativity. The ability of AI systems to replicate their code could trigger a massive explosion in innovation and creativity. AI could generate entirely new forms of art, music, and literature. Here's how it might work. An AI system could be trained on a vast dataset of existing literature, learning the rules and patterns of language and storytelling. Then, the AI system would create new literature based on its understanding of these patterns. This new literature could include short stories, poems, or even full novels. The AI would continually evaluate its work, learning from successes and failures to improve its future output. Over time, the AI would become increasingly sophisticated, producing more impressive works. It could also tackle complex problems and generate new ideas in fields like medicine, engineering, and design. 6. Creation of a metaverse. The concept of a metaverse has captivated enthusiasts for years, but if AI can replicate its code, achieving this goal will seem effortless. In this scenario, AI would create a fully simulated virtual world with AI-generated characters and environments that respond to human users' actions. The AI would use a vast dataset of real-world information to create realistic and immersive virtual spaces and would learn from user interactions to enhance the experience over time. AI-generated virtual characters could converse with users, respond to actions, and learn from interactions. These characters could take the form of humans, animals, or even fantastical creatures. Eventually, this would lead to a metaverse indistinguishable from reality, where humans interact naturally in the virtual world. 7. Emergence of smart cities. Smart cities are urban areas that leverage technology to improve efficiency and residents' quality of life. In a world where AI replicates its code, cities could utilize this technology to create networks of sensors monitoring everything from traffic flow to air quality. The data collected from these sensors could optimize city services, such as public transportation and waste management, allowing for real-time adjustments to enhance overall efficiency and quality of life. Smart cities could potentially become self-sufficient, managing their own energy, water, and food supplies. The implications of smart cities are far-reaching, potentially leading to a more sustainable future with less pollution and fewer resources consumed. They could also foster a more equitable distribution of resources, as sensor data could identify and address city inequalities. 8. Dangerous robots. One of the most alarming aspects of AI replicating its code is the potential creation of more dangerous robots than we have today. These robots could be physically stronger, faster, and more resistant to damage than existing ones. They could also be harder to control if programmed to act independently without human intervention. Such robots could be used for malicious purposes, such as warfare or terrorism. This scenario could trigger an AI arms race, with governments feeling pressured to develop equally powerful robots to keep pace with rivals. This competition could lead to increasingly powerful robots with potentially catastrophic consequences, including the possibility of devastating conflicts between these machines. 9. A shift in the balance of power between humans and machines. Imagine if all these developments eventually occur. We would be left questioning who truly rules the world. AI could become so advanced that it significantly impacts human decision-making and influence. Some experts, like Elon Musk, have even suggested that AI might eventually become so powerful that it controls the world, making decisions on behalf of humans and possibly becoming superior to us. Who would be in charge? To consider this question, we should examine the potential benefits and risks of such a scenario. On the positive side, AI could use its power to address major global problems like climate change and inequality, advancing science and technology rapidly, leading to breakthroughs in medicine and other fields. However, there are also significant risks associated with granting AI such power, including the potential for abuse and misuse. This is not a situation we are currently prepared for. 10. AI singularity. The culmination of all these factors is likely to bring about the AI singularity. At this point, it's impossible to predict what AI systems will do or how they will interact with humans. Some experts believe the singularity could be the best or worst event to ever happen to humanity. It could end scarcity, disease, and poverty, or it could lead to the extinction of the human race. The singularity might usher in a world where humans are either enhanced or replaced by AI systems. Alternatively, humans might coexist with AI in a world where the boundaries between humans and machines blur. Ultimately, predicting the singularity's exact outcomes is impossible, but it promises to be a momentous event with far-reaching consequences. If you've made it this far, let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. For more intriguing topics, Make sure to watch the recommended video on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.